Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the special occasion, the official proposal for launch of the Berkman Street 125EX, which to be held on 28 July until 14 August 2024 at GS. Next. First of all, let me introduce our firm. On behalf of Universitas Esa Unggul, we proudly announce that we are one of premier public relations firm agency since 2020, which means our experience has over than 4 years in PR environment by focusing in automotive sector. As example, our great achievement was handled Astra Honda Motor during launch of fifth generation of Scoopy by achieved 40% increase for brand awareness and 35% growth in sales. To achieve the success of project, we offer three core strategies. First, media relations. Second, event management. Three, digital marketing. How is the further action of these strategies? Let's move to the next sections. Next. There is a caption, tak kenal maka tak sayang. So I am pleased to introduce our fabulous team. First of all, I am Novita Sari, the leader of group, and then Nurhayati as field officer, Abdullah Habiansyah as safety officer, Nurfadia as social media specialist, Verina Elvira as marketing specialist, and also our beloved creative design, Bunga Patricia Putri. Next. Our proposal outlines a comprehensive launch strategy for the Suzuki Berkman Street 125EX. It's designed to maximize market visibility and drive sales. As a leading PR firm with proven success in the automotive sector, we specialize in developing and executing campaigns that drive brand awareness, enhance reputation, and deliver measurable results. In order to achieve the successful project, we focus the activities to first, establish broad market recognition. Second, highlight unique features and benefits. 3. Drive engagement through innovative marketing. And 4. Generate qualified leads and sales opportunities. Next. The Suzuki Berkman Street 125EX came with three luxury colors: metallic matte black, metallic matte platinum, and metallic royal bronze. Providing its tagline, the elegant performer, Suzuki Berkman Street 125EX is the best option for luxury scooter with affordable price. This is because Berkman Street 125EX providing the features such as next. First, design stylish and comfort for urban commuting. Second, engine 125cc, 8.5 bhp, 10 nanometer torque, and combined braking system. And 3, fuel efficiency. The Berkman Street 125EX is powered by an advanced, eco-friendly engine that provides maximum efficiency while reducing emissions. This makes it perfect for city rides where stop and go traffic is common. We proudly present this product as a game changer in the world of urban mobility. The proposed campaign is designed to create considerable market interest and yield quantifiable commercial outcomes for the Suzuki Berkman 125 launch. UAVR is committed to collaborating closely with Suzuki Automobile Sales to ensure a successful product launch.
Hello, here I will read the next slide. Slide 7 is product analysis. To enhance strategy before execute a project, we always make a SWOT analysis such as: the first is strength. Strength is divided 3. 1. Brand reputation. Suzuki has built a strong reputation in Indonesia over decades, becoming a trusted and recognized name in the automotive industry. Next, product diversity. Suzuki offers a diverse range of motorcycles to cater to various segments in Indonesia. Popular models include the sporty Satria FU for young riders, Suzuki Next for urban commuters, and Suzuki Shogun for city and light off-road use. At the premium level is Suzuki Hayabusa. Suzuki Hayabusa delivers top-tier performance and motorcycle enthusiasts. Next, global presence. Built around three core missions: innovation, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement. And next is weakness. The first is market penetration. Despite its strong presence in Indonesia, Suzuki has yet to fully penetrate the wheel vehicle market. The company faces several challenges, namely intense competition, regional preference, distribution network, and marketing impact. Next, dependence on specific market. Suzuki focused on single model in two-wheel lineup poses risks. Competition or economic factor can greatly affect its sales. Next, brand perception. Many customers view Suzuki vehicle as a lower quality compared to major competitors. To overcome this, Suzuki need to prioritize product improvement, better quality control, stronger marketing, and effort to reshape public opinion. Next slide, opportunities. The first is growing demand for two-wheelers. Indonesia inadequate public transportation has made two-wheel vehicle the preferred choice for many. This trend is driven by namely urban congestion, rural accessibility, cost effectiveness, and flexibility. Next, electric vehicles. The Indonesia government passed for electric vehicles regulation offers Suzuki a chance to grow in this market. Suzuki can use its strong brand and manufacturing expertise to become a leader in Indonesia export. Next, untapped markets. Suzuki sees potential in expanding its two-wheel vehicles to regions where it lacks a strong presence, especially in Africa. Next is threats. The first is intense competition. To compete, Suzuki market team must create and execute more focused strategy that highlight the unique features of its product. Next, regulatory changes. This change affect product development, manufacturing, and sales. And next, economic fluctuation. Lower incomes may cause customers to delay, downgrade, or skip vehicle purchase.
Okay, next. Thank you, Novita. Oke, selanjutnya target market. Outline outlines is approved for Suzuki participation in GIAS 2024, focusing on target audience, analysis, and event strategy to ensure to successful exhibition. GIAS 2024 is set to attract an estimation for 400,000 visitors over its 8-day duration, featuring participation from 55 automation brands. Suzuki aims to draw 1,000 visitors daily to its booth, leveraging an even massive audience to showcase its product and strengthen its market presence. The primary audience at GIAS 2024 consists of adults aged 25 and above, with a gender distribution of 73% 7% male and 30% female. Suzuki will focus on application to urban professional and computers, showcasing product tailored for efficiency, reliability, and efficiency in daily transportation. To revamp its approach, Suzuki is leveraging market research strategy, including pre-event, digital survey, social media analysis, customer instinct gathering, and competitor analysis. This effort will ensure a more targeted and effective engagement with potential buyers at the event. Next, event strategy. Number one, strategi focus area. Suzuki strategi focus area center on enhancing brand visibility and engaging target demographics towards innovation, marketing, and tailored product offering. 2. Implementation plan include launching target campaigns, hosting initiative booth activity, and leveraging digital platform to maximize reach. 3. Monitoring and evaluation. Infrared tracking visitor engagement, analyzing sales data, and gathering feedback to measure the success of test innovation. 4. Crisis management plan to address may unforeseen to address any unforeseen challenge, ultimately ensuring smooth operation and maintaining brand reputation throughout the event. Next,
Okay, next is strategic focus area. Number one is customer-centric communication, a crucial approach for building meaningful connection with your audience. We will explore four key strategies. The first one is personalized engagement through social media. Did you know that 90% of consumers expect brands to know their preference? By leveraging data and insight, we can create tailored message for each audience segment. Platforms like Instagram and Twitter allow for direct two-way communication. For example, using personalized video response or engaging with user-generated content makes customers feel valued and connected to your brand. The second one is immersive bot experience. By integrating technology like augmented reality or thematic designs, we can captivate visitors' attention and create memorable impressions. Next is interactive demonstrations. Instead of passively explaining a product, why not to let the audience experience it hands-on while campaigns aggressively? We will manage to allow visitors to test the product. This fosters engagement, trust, and understanding of the product's value. It is because people are more likely to remember experience than static presentation. The last one is real-time visitor feedback. Incorporating a live feedback mechanism like QR code, survey, or touchscreen, it helps understand the audience thoughts instantly. We can also respond on the spot, addressing concern, or making improvement right away. This not only enhances the customer experience but also demonstrates our commitment to listening and adapting. Number two is media. Number two is media relation. Our primary media partners are crucial in amplifying our message and reaching our target audience. For this event, we are partnering with two well-known media platforms. The first one is Grid Auto, a leading automotive platform known for its extensive reach. The second one is Motor Plus, another prominent name in the automotive industry. Both platforms align with our target demographic, ensuring that our content resonates with the right audience. Number three is digital integration. As the parameter of successful digital marketing campaign and promotion, we had a target for social media platforms and Suzuki's website. There is 100,000 positive mentions, 10,000 new followers, 10,000 content shares, and 50,000 article views. Okay, next.
All right, thank you, Fadia. Now, let me walk you through our comprehensive communication strategy. At UAPR, we believe successful events are built on meticulous planning across three critical phases. For the pre-event phase, we have developed a powerful foundation. We'll partner with Indonesia's top automotive media outlets like Grid Auto and Motor Plus to generate buzz. Our carefully selected calls will create authentic connection with your target audience through engaging social content. The website will become a dynamic hook for the event, complete with registration forms and media resources. And of course, our content pipeline will keep the excitement building with compelling stories about the Brookman Street 125EX. During the event itself, we'll maintain strong momentum. Picture this: daily press briefings that keep media engaged, real-time social coverage across Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok using strategic hashtags like Brookman Street X Gias 2024. We will create Instagram-worthy moments with interactive product demonstration, and our call takeover will give audience an authentic, inside look at the experience. To keep visitors engaged, we have planned exciting activities, including photo opportunities and exclusive giveaways. But our work doesn't stop when the event ends. Our post-event strategy ensures lasting impact. We'll conduct thorough performance analysis, train media coverage, and most importantly, nurture the leads we have generated through personalized follow-up communication. And speaking of visual, we'll be sharing detailed booth layout proposal in just a moment. Okay, just like in the show. Now, let me walk you through our booth layout for GS 2024. Our space measures 50 meters by 10 meters, strategically designed to maximize visitor engagement and product showcase. At the heart of our booth, we have the main product display area as a cross enterprise that will showcase the Main Street 125EX in all its glory. Flanking the top of the layout, we have two interactive zones, Interactive Zone 1 and 2, where visitors can engage with our product features and experience hands-on demonstration. On the lower left, we have positioned our social media wall, which will display real-time social media feeds and visitor engagement. On the lower right, you will find our info desk, where our team will be ready to assist visitors with inquiries and provide detailed product information. This layout is designed to create a seamless flow of traffic while ensuring maximum visibility of our showcase product and engaging visitor interaction. With this comprehensive approach, we are confident we can deliver an unforgettable launch that positions the Brookman Street 125EX for success in the Indonesian market. Alright, for the next slide is about monitoring plan. Now, let me walk you again through how we will measure the success of this launch. We have developed both quantitative and qualitative metrics to ensure we are hitting all our targets. For our quantitative measures, we'll be tracking 4 case areas. First, comprehensive social media metrics. We'll monitor reach, engagement, and the performance of our campaign hashtags to build online impact. Second, we'll use sophisticated media monitoring software to track coverage quantity and sentiment, ensuring Suzuki's message resonates with the press. Third, we'll implement smart boot tracking using RFID technology and QR codes to measure visitor engagement and time spent exploring the Bookman Street display. And fourth, we'll carefully track lead generation, connecting event participation directly to potential sales opportunity. But numbers only tell a part of the story. That's why we've also developed robust qualitative measures. We'll conduct in-depth surveys and focus groups to understand how the Bookman Street launch influence brand perception. Our team will evaluate the impact of our key opinion leader partnerships, ensuring they effectively communicate Suzuki values. We'll assess our crisis management readiness because we believe in being prepared for any situation. And finally, we'll analyze customer feedback across all channels to continuously refine our approach and ensure we are exceeding expectations. With these comprehensive metrics in place, we'll be able to demonstrate clear, measurable results and adjust our strategy in real time to maximize impact. Next, please.
Okay, so I will tell you about event crisis management plan. Events can be unpredictable, and preparing for potential risks while ensuring consistent quality is critical. Our discussion will cover 3 key areas: risk area, an emergency response framework, quality control measures. And the first, risk management. Risk management identify risk areas, technical, infrastructure, logistic, and supply chain, safety and security, as well as communication system. Mitigate risk. Conduct through testing of technical infrastructure before the event, collaborate with reliable vendors for the logistic, provide security personnel and control crowds, use reliable communication tools. And the second, emergency response framework. The first, provide medical response protocols, including first aid station and train medical staff. Second, develop evacuation plans and strengthen security with back checks and protocol for suspicious activities. The third, establish a centralized communication chain to coordinate response and update. And the third, quality control. Monitor the event in real time using event management software to track operation, attendee flow, and technical system. Conduct daily performance reviews to identify areas for improvement. Document incidents for post-event evaluation and future planning. Optimize strategize based on real-time monitoring and incident documentation to maintain high-quality operation. So managing risk, having emergency plan, and maintaining quality are crucial for event success. By addressing risk and implementing timely solutions, we can ensure your event is safe, efficient, and memorable. So next,
Okay, thank you. Uh, okay, thank you very much for taking the time to listen our presentation about public relation proposal for launch of the Bookman Street 125EX. This event is not only opportunity to introduce a new scooter to the market, but also to establish a strong connection with customers, enhance the reputation of Suzuki's brand, showcase the scooter's unique qualities. By combining strategic media partnership, engaging content, KOL collaborations, and well-planned event activities, we aim to ensure the campaign is highly impactful and memorable. The Berkman Street 125EX is about comfort, style, and efficiency, and we are committed to reflecting these values in every aspect of our campaign. We believe this approach will resonate strongly with our target audience and lead to a successful launch. We are highly excited for the potential of this collaboration. We would welcome to the opportunity to discuss proposal in more detail. Thank you for your kind attention. See you and bye bye. Thank you.